Hello guys, welcome to WepTech Academy. Alright, due to popular demands, people have been having difficulties to navigate through the website and maybe start studying a course. So I'll be taking out this video to detailedly explain what you can do, where you can do, and how you can do it. Alright, the first thing I'll want to talk about is maybe how to enroll for a course on the website. How to enroll for a course on the website is quite easy. The first thing is to select the course of your choice, which you can when you go to weptechhub.com, you have to go to course list. You click on course list, then now you select the course of your choice. Let me assume that you want to study introduction to pixel app. This is it here, so I'll simply click on it, introduction to pixel app. Then when I come here now, the next thing you have to do is to click on enroll now. Click on enroll now. After I click on enroll now, you ask you to log in. But let me assume in this case that you haven't let me say logged in or created an account before. So the first thing you need to do is to click on register now. Once you click on register now, you have to fill these informations: your first name, your last name, your username, your Gmail, and your password. Write your password there, confirm. Most of the time I always allow Google to do my password for me because I believe it's secure. Once you have done that, click on register. Once you click on register, you already tell you that you enrolled this course on January. Start learning. Sometimes you may have to go to your Gmail to get a confirmation, like to confirm that you should let your account be passing through. And don't forget to always maybe save your password or write it somewhere to easily remind you if you get lost or missing. So once you have done this, the next thing you have to do is to click on start learning. If you don't want to click on start learning, you can read what is Pixel App. Pixel App application is an Android app that can be used to draw, add simple 3D text, whatsoever. You can read it through. You can read what you will learn: introduction to Pixel App interface, how to design a complimentary card, how to remove a background images from Pixel App, how to design a flyer, all those stuff. Those are some of the things that you're gonna learn. So you can just simply click on start learning. Once you click on start learning, it's gonna bring you something like this. So you can take your time to read about the lesson. Pixel App is an Android app that can be used 3D legs, It has so many features that can enhance you do wow beyond your expectation. That is it. The next, you can click on next. Why study Pixel App? You can take your time to read why you should study Pixel App. You can click on next still. This is where you start studying serious videos. So for you to start watching it, just click this button here. It will start playing automatically. So there you go. It's gonna start playing. So that is
Hello
how
guys,
welcome
welcome to
get
another
this
tutorial
done.
by WepTech
So
Academy.
you have to watch the
today I'll be showing
videos. Watch the
you guys the
videos right
Pixel
down
App
to
interface.
how to create
So
complimentary card. That should
basically
be the
we'll
last
be
video.
seeing each.
From there, you should be done. So that is basically how to buy a course and start studying. And one other thing that is gonna be directing you is your percentage, your progress, how far you have gone. There are 15 videos. What is your progress? What percentage? Mark as completed. If you already understand, you can always mark as completed. So I believe from now on, you should be able to create an account on weptechhub.com. You should also be able to enroll for a course. If you have any question regarding this, please kindly ask below. I'll be available to answer. So other stuffs you can do is like you can review. You are free to give us some stars. It's gonna help us. So you are free to give us some stars. 2 people have rated us. We are grateful for that. So you can write a review. Someone writes a review, absolutely fantastic, thanks so much, so much, that are practically useful, and that is good. So you can also write a review. You can write first of all by giving some stars. They can say thank you WepTech for this training. Then you submit your review to add to the other people.